Bring it back.
Good morning and welcome to WPNN. My name is Camilla.
And my name is Jael. It's a beautiful day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our girls basketball team will play Sebastian River High School today. Varsity will play at 5 p.m.
Our Panthers wrestling team will host Bayside today at 4:30 p.m.
An announcement from Miss Rock about the spring show Disney's High School Musical. Please stay tuned for a corrected version of the High School Musical promo video at the end of these announcements.
Panthers, this week is BCU School Spirit Week. Please help show your school spirit by participating in this week's themes.
Today is Throwback Hip Hop Day, tomorrow is HBCU Day, and Friday is Class Color Day.
Freshmen are yellow, juniors are green, sophomores are red, and seniors are black.
If you missed our FAFSA workshop, here at Heritage Eastern Florida is having help sessions next Monday, February 12th at their Melbourne campus from 3 to 6 p.m.
Financial aid expert will be there to walk you through both the student application as well as the parent application.
Also, tonight from 6 to 8:30 p.m., Viera High School will be hosting the HBCU College Fair. There will be special prizes, performances, performers, and scholarship information.
A little background information on this third annual HBCU College Fair event. Since the 1800s, historical black colleges and university, also known as HBCU, have served a vital role in providing education opportunities for African American and have grown into prestigious institution for students of all backgrounds and ethnicities.
Since the very first event in 2022, this experience continued to support our Brevard Public Schools community as they are committed to promoting college and career readiness and access, as well as increased participation in accelerated programs for underrepresented students, with a special district-wide observance of Black History Month.
With the support of volunteers, local sponsorship, and community support, this event continued to be one of Brevard County's most anticipated events.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!